Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add effects on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add effects in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. And after opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. And after that, scroll to your right on the tools bar section just right here. Then here you can find the effect option just right here. Now select it. Now to add the effects, simply choose one of these just like this. You can also tap onto the search bar and search for it and add it. Now choose the one that you want to add just like this. And after that, tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the effect has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add effects in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.